Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, we covered almost 63 questions. The next question is 64th question. What is this question? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of pass keyword in Python? So how you are going to use pass keyword in Python? So there are so many advantages are there with this pass keyword. If I want to explain at a very top level, in other programming languages, if you want to take any block of statements, simply we are going to take like this, right? Inside this, if you want, you can take instructions and you can close. Assume I have a scenario where I want to take the block, but I don't want to provide any code. Can I take immediately closing bracket? Yes, it is the valid statement. How to define these kind of things in Python? Because in Python, if you are writing any condition or any loop, you have to take indentation, right? After this, if you are not writing any statement, it is going to raise error message like indentation error we are getting. If you want to listen, see, I'm taking a loop for each I value in the range of 1 to 100. Now, I don't have any task to be performed. I don't have any task to be performed. In this case, simply if I leave, what will happen? You can see we are getting indentation error. Array boss, I am expecting an indented block after first statement on line 1. You didn't taken any indentation code. That's why to overcome this, we can use the word called pass. Pass means something like a empty statement, empty block, empty semicolon, like that you can imagine. Now perfectly the code is working. When we can write code for that, maybe in future we will write, but as of now, we are not writing any code inside this for loop. If it is the case, to define empty block, we are going to use which keyword? Pass. This is very, very, very important point to be noted, sir. Okay. Now, so let me write the definition. The pass keyword in Python is used to define an empty indented block. Means what? I can say empty block. Okay. Like in other programming languages, like how you are defining by using these empty square bracket, empty flower brackets or semicolon. Like that, we can use the keyword pass. Not only here, sir, even you can take functions also. Suppose consider I'm going to take a function. What is that function is def connect to MySQL DB. Like this, I want to write a code for this. But I want to know what are the drivers that are available. Is the connection is there or not? Required softwares are installed or not? I want to check. Can I use simply for that pass? Because maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will write code for that. Perfectly, it is going to work. Like that, if you want to define any empty statements, then we can use which keyword? Pass. Why this pass came into the picture? Because of flower brackets, that block of statements, flower brackets is not supported in Python. That is the reason why this particular special concept came into the picture. Clear, friends? I hope there is no doubt in this, right? Thank you, friends.